Blizzardine Mountain Ranch consists of 105 lush acres nestled in the shadow of the Sangre de Cristo Mountain Range. Bordering national forest, this property is a gentle hike into the Sangre de Cristo Wilderness. The majestic Sangre de Cristo Mountains ascend to over 14,000 feet on some peaks, with endless miles of wilderness hiking trails through the high mountain meadows, bursting with wildflowers, and over 40 high mountain lakes, great for fly fishing. The rolling wet mountains are located to the east. The Wet Mountain Valley is famous for its unparalleled views, rural ranching lifestyle, and trophy hunting. With spectacular views of multiple mountain ranges, this land will leave you in awe. Comprised of gentle sloping meadows and forested hills, this is one of the most beautiful pieces of land on the market today. Featuring 2 streams and a stock pond, you can't ask for more. You can camp out or spend the night in the cozy cabin featuring a nice deck with relaxing views of the valley, meadows, and the 14ers. The cabin has a bathroom, kitchen, loft, well, septic, and is powered by a generator. Electricity runs through the middle of the property near the cabin through the Ute Road. Also located on the property is a separate bunkhouse that can sleep 10 to 12 of your hunting and climbing buddies. Sitting right in the middle of the elk migration path, this property is full of wildlife and opportunities for hunters and outdoor enthusiasts. There is a water right for the pond, which is stocked with trout and offers a cool drink of water for all the wildlife in the area. The entire property is fenced and includes gated access to the land and into the bordering national forest. This property is located near the towns of West Cliff and Silver Cliff and is also an easy 3-hour drive to Denver. This is the kind of property that most people dream about, and very few will ever get to own. This could be your dream come true. For more information or for a private tour, please call Twyla Giroux at 719-371-4344.